Hello guys, Broad Concept here again, and today we're going to be reviewing a sound card, USB external sound card. It's a very cheap one, costs around 15 to 20 pounds, I guess 15 to $20 as well, depending where you are, really around that price range. As you can see, it has everything that you would expect for the sound card to have. So mic in, line in, front out, rear out, and also the output for the bass. Also, it has the SPDIF input, SPDIF output, dimensions 25 millimeters by 58 by 13. So it is really nice small box. It is powered by USB. As I remember, it is USB Type B connector. So you just plug it in. It does come with the drivers on the CD. However, these days you might not have the CD-ROM in your laptop, basically. So in the description you can find the link for the drivers. Now we're gonna have a look at it in Audacity, and basically the way it is set up here. The signal from the keyboard, from the output, goes to the line in on the card, and obviously via the USB it goes to the laptop. So let's have a look how it performs. Okay guys, so we are in Audacity. Quick setup. So where you see the mic as an input right here, we gotta set up as a line in from our external sound card, and obviously output device. Well, you can put a speaker, you can put headphones, depending on what you're listening the sound to. So I'm just gonna play something quickly, and let's just have a look how it will perform. Okay, so that's the sound of it, and let's just play it back. So as you can see, it's really good. The sound is really good quality for a card, for a sound card of that price. Obviously, with things like Audacity, you can clean up the sound and reduce the noise and whatnot. But I must admit that I did run into problem with that card. So basically, for some odd reason, the mic input on the sound card went down. It just become a bit loose, and it just there's just no connection there. So I might been the unlucky one who got the sound card that's slightly faulty. But again, with me, it's not a big issue because I have another sound card that we've done the review of in the previous video, so it's not a big deal. Plus, for 15 pounds, again, you don't really expect a lot, and for a beginner level, just to connect your keyboard to your PC, I think that's really a good purchase. Also, it does improve the sound quality because when you connect your line in to your mic input, where you shouldn't do that anyway, but if you do, you will get a lot of buzz noise and background noise and that static noise, and with that sound card, with external USB sound card that has a line in, you don't really get that problem. So I think for 15 or 20 pounds, despite of the problems, it's a really good purchase. So anyways, that's all for today, and stick in for another video. Subscribe, leave comments, and see you later.